Nice! Ayan, oh. Yung iba naman, ito, TV girl. Shoes! Akala ko iPad. iPad. Alay mo, nag-recycle ng box. Yay! Okay, last one. Oh, Billy, wag ka na daw bumili bilang binigyan ka na.
I'll still buy shoes. You got that me? Oh! I got the Nike Adidas. Yes. Nike Adidas.
Nike Adidas? Nike na Adidas. Ano ka? Nike Adidas. Ayan. Yan, okay. Yes, oh.
Guys, thank you so much for getting me this. Like, seriously, I've always wanted these shoes. Stan Smith, not Stan Smith.
It's Jim.
Kasi one time I think we were going shopping, diba? And then, well, we had like we went shopping and then I was asking him, say he had the Adidas shoes already. So I asked him, oh, do you know a shop where we, like, do you know a place where we can buy like Adidas shoes? Because I really love them so much.
Where did you get them from?
Yeah, but I was asking him Stan Smith and you're just like, no, Stan Smith. And then you took us to Adidas, but then you wanted to get yourself soccer shoes. And I was just like, where's the Adidas?
Yeah, I know, you got them now. Can I help them?
Taste the feeling, guys.
I'm sorry.
Taste the feeling with Coke. They look so small though.
It's so beautiful.
Can I have them back?
I'm talking about the shoes.
More gifts. You have more.
Sorry?
More gifts.
You have another
Open to, gusto nyo?
here?
Ay, no.
Huwag na yan!
Ay, wag na daw, wag na daw.
Huwag na yan.
Bailey, open na yan.
Open.
Wow, we got 2 plane tickets to Morocco.
You want ba? Ayan na. Bukas mo na yan.
No, we got Ferrari keys and a Lamborghini toy. We got tickets to Justin Bieber Purpose next year. Justin Bieber's coming soon.
It's already here, diba?
So is Ariana Grande.
I need Coke, guys! I need Coke!
Ayan, thank you so much. Masaya ba lahat? Yes, ayan. Sana po talaga ay masundan pa ang get-together na ito. Sana po ay naging masaya po lang. And sa lahat po na nag-organize, thank you din po for inviting me. Thank you so much. Sobrang masaya pala yung get-together na ito. Thank you so much. And wish ko po sa fans club po ninyo mas dumami pa po kayo. And sana po dadami pa ako po. At sana po maging strong pa po kayo. Stronger pa po ang fans club nyo. Again, sa mga terorista,